Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate the visit, the view, just you. I hope you enjoy. I hope you find it helpful, and yeah, let's just get right on into it. So today I am doing a haul video, an unboxing video, but this one is self-care centered for me. I would consider this my self-care kit, or things that would be in my self-care kit. And self-care for me, you know, is all about pampering myself, making myself feel good, look good, my health, my wellness, all that. So we're going to get into that today with the things that I have in this box. And the things that I have are from a website called iHerb. And I'm not new to ordering from iHerb. I've ordered from them when I first attempted to go natural back in 2011. I would order my oils for my hair from there. I would order the rose water that I was using in my transitioning hair and some other things. But today we are going to get into the things that I get now. So if you don't know what iHerb is, it's basically an online marketplace where you can buy beauty products, health and wellness products, food, supplements, all that type of stuff. You can just get it all in one spot instead of going from store to store to store. And iHerb offers over 30,000 products in so many different categories, like I mentioned. So what I like about it is that they offer so many different brands for so many different things, and they're all really affordable. Like, you don't have to go broke to have a bomb skincare routine. You don't have to go broke to get your favorite supplements and things like that. It's all very affordable and all in one place. And one good thing is this September iHerb is celebrating their 25th anniversary, and they'll be having all types of discounts all throughout the month to commemorate this anniversary. So you should definitely go ahead and check it out, and everything that I'm sharing with you guys I will link in the description box below. So yes, let's get into what I got. So it comes packaged pretty well. It has a lot of cushioning in case you have anything glass, anything that could spill. Everything is packaged great, and I actually received my package in 2 days. So 2 days. So let's get straight into it. Now, the things that I got, I've tried before. I'm basically just re-upping on some things, but there are a couple of things that this will be my first time trying, and I'm super excited because I've wanted to try some of these things for the longest, and I'm getting to try them now. So first up, I have these supplements, these gummies from the brand Goli Nutrition. I have the ashwagandha gummies, and I have the apple cider vinegar gummies, and I've been wanting to try both of these for a really long time. And when I saw them on iHerb, especially for, you know, the price point, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try these out, and if I like them, I'm definitely gonna be reordering from iHerb. So yeah, with the apple cider vinegar, I used to drink, if you watched my videos or if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I do drink apple cider vinegar. The taste does not bother me because after a while with drinking it, it kind of just tastes like lemonade to me, because I would use warm water, the apple cider vinegar with the mother, the Bragg's apple cider vinegar, and I would put some cayenne pepper, cinnamon, honey, and lemon, and it tasted good to me. Like, I love the taste. Well, I won't say I love the taste, but it was bearable for me to drink it, and I didn't mind drinking it. But there are days where I just don't feel like going through the whole process of making that drink. So these gummies would come in clutch if they do what they say they are supposed to do. But I noticed when I was drinking the apple cider vinegar, I wasn't really craving coffee. I wasn't craving a lot of sweets. They actually helped to keep my appetite suppressed, so I wasn't overeating, and I was working out with it, so I was dropping a lot of weight, a lot of belly fat. Yes, y'all, I'm yes, all that. So I'm hoping that these do exactly the same thing as the actual drink, because this will be a game changer. I could just pop one of these, 2 of these. Yeah, it says 1 to 2 gummies up to 3 times daily. Enjoy up to 6 gummies daily. So yes, I cannot wait to try these out. And then a very new one is the ashwagandha gummies. I actually have the ashwagandha powder that I would mix in warm drinks and smoothies and stuff like that. But like I said, I'm not always in the mood to make these drinks, so these gummies would come in super clutch. The ashwagandha gummies are to relax, restore, and unwind. They also are supposed to help with sexual function, increasing your sex drive. Need I say more? Yeah, I'm so excited about these two, especially the ashwagandha, because I really need help with my sleeping, y'all. It takes me forever to fall asleep, and then when I do go to sleep, I don't have a good sleep. So I'm really hoping these can remedy that. So next up in the wellness, take care of my body, I have this California Gold Nutrition Superfoods organic turmeric powder. It says truth in food, no gluten, GMOs, or soy. Is USDA organic. The country of origin is India. So yes, I got this turmeric powder. I usually just buy my turmeric powder from the grocery store, but I wanted to see if I could notice a difference, taste the difference, or even feel a difference in my body with using this turmeric in particular. I use turmeric, I use it in my food, but I mainly use it for my golden milk. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen me make golden milk a lot of times. I basically just use almond milk, turmeric, I put a little cinnamon in it, some allspice, nutmeg, and a little bit of honey just for some sweetening, and it is my go-to drink at night. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, so if you're dealing with any inflammation in your body, golden milk is really good for that. I do sleep okay when I drink the golden milk, but I don't drink it specifically for that. I drink it because I like the taste of it mainly, and I like that it helps to calm and soothe me at night. And I love warm drinks, and even with coffee, I don't drink coffee because I need the caffeine or anything like that. I drink coffee because warm drinks soothe me. So yes, golden milk is my favorite nighttime or evening drink, and it uses mainly turmeric. Again, with a food item that I love, you can see how it is packaged in bubble wrap, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now. And this is the natural MaraNatha California raw almond butter. It's the creamy version. The one I usually get from the grocery store is the maple flavor, and it is the best almond butter I have ever tasted in my life. And I've tried a bunch of different brands, a bunch of different kinds, to find one that I actually like, so that I can stop using peanut butter so much and use almond butter. And the MaraNatha brand has been the best one that I have found. Like I said, I usually get the maple kind, but on iHerb they had just the original almond butter, so I was like, let me try the original, see if it's as good, or if I love it as much as I love the maple version. I typically just eat this on toast, sprinkle it with some cinnamon and a little honey, and I'm good to go. That's a breakfast for me. So now I'm going to be moving on to the body care, skin care, entire beauty aspect of things that I picked up from iHerb. So first up is this bottle of NutritionSuperfoods avocado oil. Is 100% pure moisturizing oil for soft, healthy skin. It's nutrient rich, and like I said, when I first attempted to go natural in 2011, I would use iHerb to order my oils for my hair. I was using avocado oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil. All the oils that I was using, I was getting from this site. But now I'm down to the avocado oil, and I don't use this on my hair at this point. I use it on my face. Yes, I use it in my skincare routine, and I love it. It's helped my skin a lot. It really moisturizes my skin, and I love it, y'all. I get a lot of questions about my skincare routine, and that's part of it. I use avocado oil on my face. I used to be scared to use oils because I thought it would break me out or clog my pores and stuff like that, but it does not do that. Next up is this Laneige. I'm not sure how to properly pronounce it, but the lip sleeping mask in berry. And I know you all have heard of this. Everybody has seen this all over Instagram. Just about every YouTuber's beauty routine, you see this. But I really am excited to try this just to see how it works out. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, and oh, it smells good. It says a lip sleeping mask that provides smooth, firm lips by gently melting away dead skin on the lips overnight with a sweet strawberry scent. So I'm super excited to try this. Next up is this EcoTools Clean Beauty, Clean Planet Dry Body Brush. This is a dry brush. It's not for bathing purposes, like to put body wash on and do all that. It's a dry brush that you use on your skin. It helps to do a lot of different things. It's good for lymphatic support, to drain your lymphatic system. It's great for cellulite, reducing cellulite, increasing circulation, tightening your skin. There's all kind of benefits for dry brushing. And I actually saw Alyssa Ashley talking about dry brushing on her Twitter. I believe it was her Twitter. It was either her Twitter or her Instagram. And she was raving about it. So when I saw this on iHerb's website for like, I think it was $4, I was like, I'm gonna try it. So yeah, I'm super excited to see what this does for me. And I will definitely update you guys and let you know how I like this once I begin to use it for a good amount of time. And I also picked up Dr. Bronners Pure Castille soap in the scent Eucalyptus. Now y'all know, again, if you follow me on Instagram, that I have an obsession with Dr. Bronners soap. I have a few different scents from them, but I've never tried the eucalyptus. I have the rose, lavender, peppermint, tea tree. Yeah, and so now I have the eucalyptus. I've really been into, well, for like the last year or so, year or two, I've been really into pretty earthy smells. Like they really just do something for me. I really wanted to try out this eucalyptus scent, so when I saw that iHerb had Dr. Bronners, I searched for a scent that I have never smelled, used, or tried before, and came across this one, and I got super excited to get it. So yes, I love to take baths with Dr. Bronners soap. I use it on my face, I use it on my body, I use it as hand soap sometimes. I use it for a lot of different things. This soap is used for so many different things, but one thing I will say, that if you plan to use it on your face, or if you plan to use it to take a shower, that I highly suggest you have a balm moisturizing routine in place for your face and for your body afterwards, because it's very drying. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way, like 1-2 drops max. And it goes a long way. It suds up really well and it cleans really, really well. I like my skin to have that squeaky clean feeling. I know the estheticians that may be watching are probably screaming at me right now, but I love for my skin to feel squeaky clean. So I do have a balm moisturizing routine in place for after I use the Dr. Bronner. So that's a tip. If you plan to use it, make sure you have a really good moisturizer for your face and for your body afterwards. Okay. Now lastly, what I got from iHerb are the now essential oils in lavender and patchouli. And like I said, I've been really into earthy smells, which is why I picked up the patchouli, because I've never really used it before. I didn't even know what it smelled like until I got it in this package. But it's okay. It's not, it doesn't do for me what tea tree and eucalyptus does for me, but it will definitely get the job done. And then I got a lavender. I had to re-up on lavender. I love lavender. I go through it so quick. I use it in my diffuser. Sometimes I'll drop a few drops in the bathtub, in the shower, different things like that. There's different uses for essential oils, but you have to make sure, depending on how you use it, that you add it to a carrier oil, something like avocado oil or olive oil. I love essential oils to burn in my diffuser just to give the room a nice fresh smell, or to relax. Like I said, I go through some lavender. So these are the two that I picked up for my self-care kit from iHerb. They have a lot of other brands. This is not the only brand. They have a lot of other brands, a lot of other scents. So definitely go check it out if you're interested. And yeah, so that was all of the things in my iHerb box that I would consider like a self-care kit for me. Like I said, for the month of September, iHerb is celebrating their 25th anniversary. That's amazing. Like 25 years. I'm 35, so they started when I was 10. They're celebrating their 25th anniversary, and they will be having all types of discounts on their website for the month of September. You definitely should go check it out. I know I am, to see what else I can get my hands on. And if there should be something that you order that you aren't 100% happy with, they do have a 90-day money-back guarantee. And with that being said, they also offer customer service 5 days a week in 10 different languages. So like I said, I will be listing everything I showed in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that, and I will see you guys in my next video.